Rip off your old skin. You, my lovely, honestly and truly can become whoever you want, and you can achieve all of your goals. Today, I want to give you 3 tips on affirmation. Neville Goddard, the teacher of law of assumption, he says that you should always live in the wish fulfilled. What that means is you should always feel that your manifestation or your wish has already been filled in the current present moment. My first tip would be to write down your affirmations, say them out loud, record them and play them back to you whilst you're sleeping. That way your subconscious mind could really take them in. In the morning when you wake up, you might realize you're just saying those words because you've been listening to them during the night time. My second tip is to always start your affirmations with I am. Again, this is the guidance of Neville Goddard. And in this, what you're saying is I am. You are referring to yourself, the whole person, the complete person. I am, and then whatever you feel you want to become. For example, I am love and peace, but that is as in the present moment. So start with I am, and then write your positive affirmation. I am sexy, I'm a goddess, I am beautiful, I am fulfillment, I am peace, I am the most beautiful person, I am the most stunning person. Say as a now, I am. The third tip is to feel them when you say it. Really feel them. This could be a bit tricky because you sometimes feel when you say an affirmation, you're not feeling it. And really, there seems to be a block there. But what I tend to do is take a few breaths, say it to myself, not very loud or write it down. I just say it within myself. And I tell myself, this is the ultimate truth. Believe yourself. And I look back at my past and I think all of the stuff, negative stuff I believed. So hold on. Why will I not believe a positive thing about myself? No, I am love. I am peace. I am amazing. Feel it. Say it quiet. Believe it. Go against the society. Go against the norm. Go against the negativity that's on the TV, on social media. Believe in yourself. Believe in the world within yourself, because the whole universe, it is within you. And God, the higher power, will get you there. No external forces can change that. Like I said previously, rip off your old skin. Who is that amazing person down there inside you who wants to come out and shine? Let him or her shine. Become that version of you. You want to become rich? Say it to yourself, I am rich. I am a money magnet. Money comes to me easily. Feeling is the secret. You have to think about it as though you have it now. Not excitement, as though you've had it now. You've had it for 1 month, 2 months. How is that feeling? The trick also is to not think about how it's going to come to you. God is going to make ways. The higher power is going to make ways. It is all going to come forward to you in a very logical way, that after a while you're going to think, hold on a minute, that's something I've been working towards and manifesting. You may even forget. You deserve it. Life is too short to be carrying a burden of, I can't be this, I can't have that. You can have everything. You have the power within you. Believe in yourself. Don't listen to a negative word anyone has to say about you or to you. Don't waste your time on social media believing or putting yourself down, thinking you're not good enough, because you are good enough. You are amazing. You are gorgeous. You are on the pedestal. You are everything amazing and beyond that. I promise you that. And the whole universe promise you. Allow the universe to bring it forward to you. Much love, and see you again in my next video.